Put you to work, huh, Tom?
Yeah.
You got kosher dogs with bacon. Kosher dogs with bacon.
Yeah. I love it. Cooking kosher dogs. Anyway,
that's rare roast beef. That's not bacon.
That was $5. You have another. You should have had another. I gave you guys a packet.
there you are.
And then they're extra, so you get another packet, and I gave you a packet.
We're practicing. Got this forward mind.
Wait a minute now.
Big gloves. Look at these gloves. Aren't I-18. B-15.
B10,
B-10, good.
B8,
B-8, good.
B14,
B-14.
and finally, O68.
O-68, we got a winner.
All right, congratulations.
Did anybody that didn't win yet want an additional coverall card for $5? Okay, raise your hand and we will come around, okay, and grab and get it. And the last 3 digits are 026. All right, here we go, come on. All right, they're gonna bring it to you. Now, the moment you all been waiting for. How many of you have 50-50 tickets? Okay, just so you know, your share of the prize is $400 even. 4 big ones, okay? So you can blame her and not me if you don't win. And you can meet her in the parking lot. All right. Probably everyone has 50848, right? The last 3 digits are 4, 6, 3, 4. All right! Great time tonight, but you should all feel really good. You can check our ticket this way. You should all feel good about yourself because you're helping us build ramps this summer. So thank you all very much. We'll see you at Turkey Bingo. And we might be in a new location because we don't have enough room anymore. Thank you, thank you.
Well, did you sell all the boards?
I'm 4 short from getting her out of that house. But we're almost there. 4 more to go. We'll get them Tuesday. George, you bought 4, and then you let this nice young lady buy 2 more. You gave her 2 years. Thank you. We sold out. Complete sellout. Pete's idea to do this is probably raise us about $620.
Oh boy, that's great.
Everyone will be sold.
It's okay for me, because like if something happens, I have ways to figure stuff out. Like I have the money. Well, also it depends on what it is we're buying. If it's something like